Okay, so let's just get right into it. I've spent, I'm not kidding, over 40 hours digging around, and I think I've found a genuine loophole in the world of AI video. We're about to unlock 12 seriously powerful tools that let you create absolutely incredible AI videos. And the best part, most of them are totally free with unlimited use.
You've seen it, right? The big names, they're all charging these crazy monthly fees and selling credit packs. So it's pretty easy to just assume that, to get anything good, you gotta open your wallet.
Well, that assumption is about to be totally blown out of the water.
12, that's the magic number. I have found 12 different AI video generators. These are the hidden gems most people aren't even talking about, that you can start using literally today without spending a single cent. This is your brand new creative toolkit.
All right, first up, let's look at the heavy hitters. You'll probably recognize these names. These are tools from some of the biggest tech companies on the planet. And honestly, you're going to be shocked at how much they just give away for free.
So on one hand, you've got Meta AI. Now its real power is taking a still image that you've made and bringing it to life, animating it, or even taking a video you already have and completely changing the style. Super flexible. Then you have Grok by X. It's just a straight-up workhorse. It gives you a solid 20 to 30 free video generations every single day. And get this, if you ever hit that limit, just switch to another account and keep on creating. And it doesn't stop there. Tencent's Hunyuan is insanely powerful. It doesn't just do great image to video, it has this wild feature that can turn an image into a 3D model. Then there's Microsoft's Bing Video Creator. They give you 5 super fast generations to get you started, but after that, you can just switch to a standard mode with unlimited generations. You just have to wait a little longer. Honestly, that's a trade-off I'll take any day.
Okay, but what if you want to start making something like this very second, with zero hassle? That's where this next batch of tools comes in. These are all about instant gratification.
And this breaks it down perfectly. Vheer.com, it lets you generate as many images and videos as you want without ever asking for an email. Unsampler is another one, no sign up, and it runs on the really impressive Qwen 2.2 model, which is famous for its smooth animations. And with AIVideoMaker, just make sure you click their free model option and you can crank out little 5-second clips instantly. No logins, no passwords, just creating.
Okay, this next part, this is the real insider secret. This is where we go beyond the pretty websites and tap directly into the source code to get around pretty much any limit you can think of.
The key to all of this is a website called HuggingFace, and specifically a section called Spaces. Just think of it like a giant public library, but instead of books, it's packed with open source AI models. It is an absolute goldmine for finding and testing powerful video tools you can't get anywhere else. And I promise, it's way easier than it sounds. You just go to Spaces, and here's the most important step. Filter your search by 0 GPU. That's just a techie way of saying, show me all the stuff that's completely free to use. It gets rid of anything that costs money and just shows you the models you can run for free right now. Then you can search for stuff like video or Qwen, and boom, you'll find tons of options you can use on the spot. Now this is where it gets really fun. For a lot of these free web tools, especially the ones you find on HuggingFace, if you ever do hit some kind of daily limit, there's a simple little trick. Just fire up a VPN, pick a different country, open a new incognito window in your browser, and just like that, your limits are usually reset. All right, so we've covered the big players and the instant access tools. Now, let's talk about the ones that give you truly pro-level quality and features. And yeah, they're still free. First is Qwen.video. So many people don't know this, but even if you have 0 credits, you can still generate unlimited videos. What's the catch? It's just a little bit slower, but you get access to all their models all the way up to Qwen 2.6. Then you've got Qwen AI. It's just beautifully simple. It's a totally free text-to-video generator, and the results are surprisingly good.
Hey, remember Hunyuan from Tencent? Well, there's a version of it you can find on GitHub and HuggingFace that has an absolute killer feature. It lets you generate videos in stunning 2K quality. I mean, for a free tool, the level of detail you can get is it's mind-blowing.
And for anyone chasing the absolute bleeding edge of what's possible, you have to check out MindVideo.ai. Right now, they're offering free beta access to a model that's designed to replicate Sora 2, which is one of the most hyped-up models in the entire world. The quality is amazing, and yeah, there's a bit of a queue, but they give you a bunch of free credits to play around with it. Oh, and here's a little bonus tip for you. A site called LM Arena, which is already famous for letting you compare image models, has now added video. This means you can generate clips from all the top-tier models. We're talking Sora, 2, Google Veo, Kling, and see their results right next to each other. It's an awesome way to see what the state-of-the-art really looks like. And as you can see, the top players are all kind of in a league of their own. So, there you have it. That's your complete arsenal of free AI video tools. The barrier to entry, it's officially gone. We've gone through the big power players, the instant no sign-up tools for when you need something fast, the pro-level gems for that high-quality output, and of course, the secret weapon, using HuggingFace and that little VPN trick to unlock basically endless possibilities. So here's the big takeaway. It doesn't matter if you're starting with just an idea in your head or you want to bring a cool image to life, a lack of budget is just not an excuse anymore. You have everything you need to start right now. All 12 of these tools are out there, right now, just waiting. The only limit left is your own imagination. So the real question isn't about the tech or the cost anymore. It's, what story are you going to create?